Hi, this is Jim Wyckoff with your 5M grain outlook for this week. We are starting out the week in a choppy fashion in the grain markets. There's still much uncertainty due to the closure or the partial closure of the U.S. government that has severely limited the amount of USDA data that the grain markets are getting. Thus, you're seeing choppy and sideways price action. Generally speaking, when you see a lack of information in the market and uncertainty regarding a situation like USDA, that does favor the bearish camp. So that's probably going to continue to limit the upside in the grains as long as the U.S. government remains closed. We do have some rainfall that fell over the U.S. Corn Belt during the weekend that is limiting corn and soybean harvest, but that's likely not going to be a serious problem. It looks like this Friday's scheduled USDA crop production report is not going to be issued. All this augurs for sideways and choppy price action probably the rest of this week. From a technical perspective, the wheat market continues to shine. Recent new multi-week high in wheat. The bulls still have some technical momentum in that market. The soybean market is back well off the recent high. It would not surprise me to see soybeans trade choppy to sideways to lower here in the coming weeks as the technical posture has weakened a bit in soybeans. For the corn market, continuing to hover near 3-year lows. The bears have a solid overall near-term technical advantage. However, it is my bias in the corn market that we do not have strong downside price potential just because that is a very mature bear market, and I think you are at some fundamental value buying opportunities when you look at the long term. That's it for this week on the grains. Jim Wyckoff reporting.